The government of Jammu and Kashmir has been taking steps over a period of time for preservation of cultural heritage, and a number of departments and associated bodies are contributing to this work. The government have also enacted the Jammu and Kashmir Heritage Conservation and Preservation Act of 2010, which continues to be in force, which amongst other provisions provides for a declaration of tangible as well as intangible heritage, and also has provisions for preservation of such heritage. The Act also has the regulatory provisions for the protection of such heritage wherever it exists. While good work is being done, I feel that there is a need to move, and it's the time to move from general and rudimentary provisions to more specific and proactive policy on heritage preservation, which lays down the objectives and also the principles for taking decisions by various stakeholders on crucial issues pertaining to preservation of heritage. For example, there is a need for a clear policy on adaptive reuse of forts, palaces and other built heritage to make it relevant and self-sustaining for, say, the next 100 years or so. Especially, there is a need to promote involvement by the tourism industry in heritage conservation so as to create the requisite jobs and also generate the revenue for meeting the rather high and recurring cost of maintenance as per the guidelines. Similarly, there is a need to emphasize on identification of the outstanding natural as well as man-made heritage of Jammu and Kashmir, and for preparation of the nomination files for inclusion of such places in the UNESCO's World Heritage List. So in other words, there is need to have a comprehensive policy on heritage preservation, which encompasses all aspects, including issues like professional development of artists, the dissemination of information and knowledge about heritage, the involvement of NGOs, the involvement of the corporate sector, and also the local community, so as to generate the synergy and the cultural vibrancy in the efforts for preservation of heritage in Jammu and